Welcome to our channel today. I'll show you how to create folders in VS Code and then push those folders step by step to GitHub. Let's get started. When you open VS Code, the first step is to click Open Folder. A window will appear. Choose the folder where you want to keep your project files. Think of this folder as the main box that holds everything for your project. Inside this main folder, you can create extra folders to organize things like images or scripts. After creating them, click on the folder in VS Code to open it. Now you're ready to start adding files and working inside your project. Next, open your GitHub account and create a new repository for your project. After that, return to VS Code and open the terminal. This is where you will connect VS Code to your GitHub account. To do that, you need to enter your GitHub username and email using simple commands. These details help GitHub identify who is uploading the files. Once you type the commands, make sure to check that your name and email are saved correctly. This step is important because it prepares your system to push your project to GitHub without any issues. Now, in the terminal, set the default branch to main. Type git config global init default branch main. Then type git init. This initializes your project successfully. Create your working files in VS Code: index.html, style.css, and script.js. After creating them, you'll notice a U symbol beside the files. To clear that, type git add, then git commit m, initial commit. Now your files are tracked and ready. Open GitHub again, copy your repository's remote origin link. In VS Code terminal, paste that link using get remote add origin, your link. This command tells Git where your project should be uploaded. Next, type git push origin main. Sometimes errors like unable to access or repository not found may appear. This usually means GitHub needs extra permission or the link is wrong. Generate a personal access token, update the link, and push again to fix it. Go to GitHub settings. Scroll down to developer settings. Click personal access tokens, then tokens, classic. Generate a new token. Add a note with your folder name. Verify repository details. Scroll down and click Generate Token. Copy the token link. Back in VS Code terminal, type git remote set URL origin, your token link. Then enter your username and folder name. Finally, type git push origin main. Now your folder and files are successfully uploaded to GitHub. Once you've updated the remote link with your GitHub token and pushed again, your project will upload successfully. This means all the folders and files you created in VS Code are now stored in your GitHub repository.